Hello everyone, welcome back to KE Master. I hope all of you are doing well. If you are watching this video, make sure to subscribe to KE Master because some of the most awaited videos are coming very soon and they will be very helpful for your Karnataka PGCET counseling. First of all, congratulations to each and every one of you on your Karnataka PGCET 2026 results. If you got low marks or your marks are not what you expected, don't worry and don't lose hope. Your rank is what matters, and I will be bringing detailed videos on your rank, possible colleges and which colleges you can consider during option entry. Also, many students are currently facing some problems while checking their results, and some students are saying that the marks they received are not what they expected. So don't panic about these issues right now. Let's wait for KE official clarification or updates. And one more thing, thank you very much for trusting KE Master and for filling the Google form yesterday. We received a very good responses from you, and soon I will be bringing a very important and exciting video based on that information. So stay connected. And one very important thing, the result currently released is provisional, so we have to wait for the final rank or merit update before making final decisions. In today's video, I will explain what happens after the result, from rank and document verification to option entry, mock allotment, final allotment, and finally joining your college. So let's get started. So first let's understand the complete journey after the Karnataka PGCET 2026 result. Many students think that once the result is released, the admission process is almost over. Actually, the important counseling process starts from here. First we have the provisional result, then the final rank or merit update. After that comes the counseling notification, document verification, verification or claim slip, option entry, mock allotment, modification of options if permitted, final seat allotment, P payment, admission order, and finally college reporting. So there are quite a few steps after the result. Don't worry if all these terms are confusing right now. In this video I will explain each important stage one by one. So when KEA starts the counseling process, you know what you have to do. Now this is very important, so please keep this in mind. The result that has currently been released is provisional. So don't immediately consider this is your final counseling merit position. Some students are getting the rank they expected, while some students are getting a rank that is completely different from what they calculated. If your rank is not what you expected, please don't panic. We have to wait for the official KEA updates regarding the final rank or merit list and the counseling notification. Until then, don't make a decision like my rank is bad so I won't get any college. At the same time, don't assume that you will definitely get a particular college just because of your provisional rank. Let's wait for the final information and then analyze your actual college possibilities. For now, save your result and keep checking the official updates. Now let's look at this big picture. What exactly happens after the result? First comes the provisional result, and then we wait for the final rank or merit update. After that, KE will announce the counseling process and important dates. Then comes document verification. Once verification is completed, you will have the required verification or claim slip or status to proceed further. Then comes one of the most important stages, option entry. Here you will select your colleges and courses and arrange them according to your preference. After option entry, there may be a mock allotment, followed by modification options if permitted. Finally, we have the actual seat allotment, P payment, admission order, and college reporting. So remember, the simple flow is result, then rank, then verification, then option entry, then allotment, then admission. Now, while you are waiting for the counseling process to start, don't just sit and wait. You can start preparing your documents now itself. Keep your PGCET hall ticket or admit card, application form, P receipt, SSLC or 10th marks card, PUC or 12th marks card, qualifying degree marks cards, degree or provisional degree certificates, and study certificates ready. Depending on your situation, you may also need transfer certificate, migration certificate, category certificate, income certificate, Aadhaar card, and passport size photographs. Also keep your PGCET results safely. One important point, the required documents can vary depending on your category and individual situation. So when KEA releases the official counseling notification and document checklist, follow that. Keep your original and required photocopies ready so you don't have to rush at the last moment. After preparing your documents, the next important stage is document verification. Your documents will be checked to confirm your eligibility and the information you have provided. So make sure you carefully follow whatever instruction KEA gives regarding the verification process. Once your verification is successfully completed, you will get the required verification or claim slip or status, which allows eligible candidates to proceed further with counseling. This is an important step because the next major step is option entry. So when KE announces the verification date, center or process, don't ignore it. Carry the required original documents and photocopies as instructed. Complete your verification properly and keep your verification related documents safe. Then you will be ready for the next stage, option entry. Now we come to one of the most important stages, option entry. Here you will select the course you are interested in, choose the colleges and arrange them according to your preference. And guys, don't randomly enter colleges just because you have heard their names. Before option entry, understand your rank, category, available seats, course and previous cutoff trends. And I already made the college review videos, and remaining college reviews are coming very soon, so check that too. Most importantly, arrange the colleges according to your genuine preference. Don't simply copy somebody else's list because their rank or category may be different from yours. The actual option entry website and process will be known once KEA officially opens the option entry window, and don't worry about that. I will bring a complete live option entry demo and I will show you the process step by step. So keep watching the channel for that. After option entry, we come to mock allotment. Now many students get confused between mock allotment and final allotment. Both are not the same. Mock allotment is basically a preview or probable allotment based on the option you have entered. So when mock allotment comes, you can check what colleges and courses you are getting. Then you can ask yourself, am I happy with this? Should I change my preference order? Should I add or rearrange some colleges? If KE allows modification at that stage, you can review and modify your options according to the official instruction. But remember very clearly, mock allotment is not your final seat allotment. So don't panic if you don't get your preferred college in mock allotment, and don't assume that the mock result is final. Use it to understand your position and improve your options if changes are permitted. Finally, we come to the stage everyone is waiting for, final seat allotment. Once the final allotment is released, first check your allotted college and course carefully. Then you will have to choose the appropriate option according to the choices provided by KEA. These may include accept and freeze, accept and upgrade, reject and slide, and reject and withdraw as shown here. But don't blindly select an option because someone told you to. First understand what that option means and what happens to your current seat and further possibilities. Your allotment depends on factors like merit, available seats, and your preference order. After the required choice and P-related process, you will move toward admission and finally reporting to the college. And most importantly, don't miss the official deadlines. Always check the latest KEA notification for exact dates, fees, and instructions. So now the question is, what should you do right now? First, save your result and keep a copy safely. Second, wait for the final rank or merit update. Don't make your final college decision only based on the provisional result. Third, keep your documents ready. Fourth, follow the official KEA counseling updates and keep checking for verification dates, option entry dates, and other important announcements. And fifth, start researching colleges from now itself. Don't wait until option entry opens and then start researching for colleges from zero. Start looking at colleges, courses, previous cutoff trends, placements, and which options may suit your rank. And I already made some of the top colleges review, and remaining college reviews are coming very soon. And this is exactly where I will help you with rank wise college guidance and counseling updates. So that's the complete journey after the Karnataka PGCET 2026 result. And remember, the result is not the end. The counseling process starts next. If you got lower marks than expected, don't lose hope. Once the final rank is out, we will analyze the ranks properly, and I will bring detailed videos on which colleges you can expect for different ranks. On KEA Master, I will be covering PGCET, M.Tech, MCA and MBA guidance, marks versus rank analysis, rank-wise college guidance, top college reviews, counseling guidance, option entry strategies, document verification guidance, and the latest PGCET notification. And in upcoming days, I will be covering entire PGCET syllabus. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to KEA Master, like this video and share it with your PGCET friends. Thank you so much for trusting KEA Master and for supporting us. Thank you so much for watching.